always said about getting that balance right of the exciting young players coming through and the older experienced players. The first year I've really enjoyed and excited for the upcoming campaign.
That celebration, looked like you were about to take off at one point.
Yeah, I think even when it went in, I was surprised. So yeah, obviously in the limelight a bit today, but it was a team performance.
We obviously got a good start against Slovakia, got 3 points on the board, so I think the pressure's on these sort of teams to get a result now, so yeah, hopefully get as many points as possible.
We were up against a good side today, and I don't think we gave the best account of ourselves really. I think we were a better team than we showed.
Not good enough in the first half. Second half much better. Obviously we have to start winning, and if not win all the games, the majority of them.
Those games are over now. We have to forget about them, get back on track, and yeah, that's what we aim to do.
Absolutely buzzing. There's no better feeling than seeing the ball back in a competitive debut, and to mark it off with a goal is an amazing feeling.
Everyone works hard for each other, and it only makes my job easier, and hopefully we can carry on and get 2 wins now in the last 2 games.
What happened in the summer, to come back and to qualify, the lads have showed great determination, quality, never give up attitude, and yeah, they deserve all the plaudits they're going to get.